We got a situation here. Our sink is clogged and it is definitely leaking a little bit. You see that? That is coming from this pipe. And we were packing to get ready to go somewhere and we had to pull stuff out from under here. And thankfully we realized, oh, geez, that is not even on there at all. We're assuming that this came loose because there's a bunch of stuff clogged in here. So that's what this one looks like. Check this one out. If we go over here, this one looks a lot better. So we're gonna try to fix it to make it look like this. And it's just me here. Well, me and the dogs, but I don't know where they are right now. First thing we're gonna try to do is take this off. So these should hand tighten, at least from what I read on Google. Let me try to like twist these off. Oh. Yep. There's definitely water in there and it does not, I repeat, not smell good. Oh, I think this, oh mate, that is, it's so bad. I don't even know how we're gonna clean this. That smells awful. So if you're doing something like that, just brace yourself for the smell that's about to come out of there. But we got it out, it just hand tightens, and now we gotta go ahead and we gotta clean this. Oh, I just poured it out outside. Yeesh. So I came back upstairs, ready to put the P-trap on, ready to flush some vinegar and baking soda down the pipe. And then I realized, I mentioned it earlier in the video in text, but I think there might be a clog back here as well. And I didn't notice that this part was actually removable. So it too has one of these back here, and we have some towels laid out. I hope nothing drips, but just in case it does, we will be ready. Guys, I think I found more of the clog. This nastiness right here is probably soap that's crusted and then just peeled off, but it definitely looks stuck all the way through, and I think that's what's clogging it. There's actually some of it in here as well, so we're definitely gonna wanna clean this out with some vinegar, with some baking soda, some hot water, but I'll do my best to pull the chunks out and then scrub it as well. And you guys can actually help me out, so do me a favor and look under here. This part does not seem bad whatsoever. So I think that's good. We're just gonna go ahead and clean this pipe and then pull and clean that stuff out. I can't believe I'm doing this. Lots of this stuff everywhere. Next step, according to Google Gemini, is half a cup or 1 cup, we'll do a whole cup because it's pretty nasty, of plain baking soda down the drain. So let's do that. 1 cup of white vinegar. Oh, geez. Put some water in there to help dilute some of that, huh? Probably not the best idea to have done it in chunks. Let's break it apart a little bit and then put some more vinegar to push it down. And then we'll just let it sit like that for about an hour. I can hear it fizzing in here. Still no leaks. That's good. Last time was too hot. Dogs, watch out. Very hot. There we go. I went ahead and touched around the pipe. There's absolutely no leaking anywhere, so pretty good on that part. Now it says the water going down. Oh, much better, isn't that? So this is full on, say you're washing your face, you're shaving, you need the water on, and it looks like we're doing fine. We close it up and it goes straight down. No problem whatsoever. I think this side gets clogged because we soap our hands on this side right here. This side, we don't do that. So there's probably less gunk going into this one. You can see this one pulls up and then it goes down immediately. So I wish I showed you this one earlier because it was way worse and I don't think we completely healed it. This might be something we might want to do every, oh no, I mean, it went down pretty fast. But it used to be the case where it would just come up to almost the very top and we would have to stop using it, let it drain. I don't know if I did this right. I pretty much just went on Google. So if you're an actual plumber or you have any tips for cleaning pipes and doing house stuff, let me know in the comments below, but I don't think I did that bad of a job. Thanks for doing it with me all. Later.